Hi artists, today we are going to be making a beautiful spring daffodil. Couple of things, couple of things that you will need is some large yellow paper and a long piece of orange paper and either a white paper or just a coffee filter. Okay, so you're going to need 3 large pieces of the yellow paper. If you don't have yellow, you can certainly just use white and color, or you can just leave it white because there are white daffodils as well. I'm going to take my paper, it's 12 by 18, and I'm folding it in half. So if you're using notebook paper or copy paper, you're going to need 6 of these. If you're using a larger paper and you just fold it in half, then you'll need 3. We're going to make 3 large petals. So for our petals, what we're going to do is I'm going to make a kind of curved line going out towards the edge, starting in one corner and coming up to the other corner. There we go. It goes out of focus sometimes. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So that's going to be for our petal shape. Now I went ahead and cut a few out already. So I'm just going to cut these out for you. And we're going to make them a little bit 3-dimensional. And we do that by a technique that we call scoring. So once you have your petals cut out, you're going to take each petal and you take a pair of scissors that are closed. You just use the point of them. Make sure you're not pressing too hard. You don't want to rip your paper. But I'm going to start at the top. Oops, it's upside down. There we go. I'm going to start at the top, and I'm just going to kind of press a line into the bottom or into the paper so that it's a curve. It's kind of hard to see, but there's the little line I just made. Now, what you can do is you can flip it over and you can fold your paper carefully on that line. So now you have a curve instead of just a fold. I'm going to show you one more time with this one. So just take your scissors closed, I put my pointer finger on top, and I make a nice curved line from the top to the bottom. Flip it over and press along that score line we just made. So once you have that, you can go ahead and you're going to assemble all 6 of your petals. It's going to be a little bit hard to see because it's very large.